Auburn University's Interdisciplinary Center for Advanced Manufacturing Systems is a pioneering initiative dedicated to empowering small and medium-sized manufacturers across the Southeast. Established in 2018, ICAMS is a collaborative effort between Auburn University, the U.S. Department of Defense, and the City of Auburn. Our mission? To break down barriers to adopting advanced manufacturing technologies and cultivate a skilled workforce ready for the challenges of modern manufacturing. At ICAMS, we equip industry with knowledge and information, state-of-the-art equipment, expert training, and cutting-edge research. Our focus spans critical areas like multi-axis machining and turning, additive manufacturing, friction stir welding, and industrial automation, ensuring that businesses can optimize their operations and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Our goal is to address one of the manufacturing industry's top challenges, the need for skilled employees who can make American manufacturing the most competitive in the world. Central to our efforts is the Digital Manufacturing Demonstration Cell, a cutting-edge facility showcasing Industry 4.0 capabilities. Here, visitors witness firsthand how digital factories enhance operational efficiencies and enable smarter decision-making through data-driven insights. ICAMS doesn't just provide tools. We collaborate closely with industry partners to prototype new parts, produce short production runs, optimize machinery, and secure manufacturing processes against cybersecurity threats. Our commitment to industry extends beyond technology. We're a trusted advisor and partner, helping companies navigate the complexities of modern manufacturing. Together, we're shaping the future of manufacturing, empowering businesses to thrive, and ensuring America's industrial leadership and resolve for generations to come.